Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your dashboard brightness or dimness. So first thing you can check is this little knob here. You can twist it and this will change the light to really low or on. And then if you click it all the way over, this turns on your interior lights as well. So that's all controlled with this little switch. And if this isn't helping, I would double check up here that there's nothing covering the dash, because there's a sensor right there that helps indicate if there's daylight or nighttime of whatever brightness is coming through the windshield, because that sensor then communicates with the computer to let you know how bright this should be. So yep, once you clean that up, make sure that sensor is uncovered. Hopefully that fixes any issues you might be having with this. And if you're still having issues with that, might have some sort of computer error that needs addressed. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.